Hello, hello, this is Scott. Hello, mic test. Mic test. Uh, Pineapple, grape, fruit, fruit. Mic test. Warhammer, YouTube, grape, fruit, vegetable, jazz, 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 uh, demons, demons, Warhammer, girlfriend, uh, video games, video games, hey, hello, hello, mic test, anime, 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 intro, this is the intro, okay. Hello? Hello, is this thing on? The lights are glowing. Hello, hello, this is Scott. This is the intro. Jazz, fruit. It's got a volume adjuster. Hello, is this louder? Is this louder? Hello, girlfriend, fruit, jazz, demon, demon, Warhammer, Warhammer, Warhammer. Warhammer, demon, fruit. Let's see. If I do this, I should be quieter. Am I quieter? Quieter? Hello, hello. Let's see. Should I be like, should I be like a foot away? Like, should I be like a foot away? Or should I be like super close? Super close? Should I be super, super close? How's the volume on this? Let me know. Am I too close? Too far? Now I'm like a mile away from the mic. Is it better to be a mile away from the mic? Testing, testing. Testing from like a foot away. Testing. Okay, now I'm like kissing it. Is this the right distance? Let me know if this is the right distance or not. Testing, testing. Alright, I think that's enough information. I think we got it. Alright. Play that back for me.